Hey, how's it going? This is Badtuna Bob. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As always, I'm doing Bob things. Anyway, if you own a DJI Mini 3 Pro, here are some accessories that I think it's a must-have. So let's check it out. The first one we have is right there. Can you see that? Is the foldable extended landing gear for the Mini 3 Pro. All right, so let's see what's in the box. This is the portable landing gear. Open it up real quick. All right. Comes a little plastic. Open it up here. All right, take a look at that. It's again, it's a foldable one, so you can just unsnap it and open it up like so. Well, I don't think you'll break it, but check it out. Oh, I'm sorry. There you go. All right. Anyway, here's how you install the landing gear. So basically, you have to have the gear folded like so, snap it in, and then you can open up the landing gear. Come on, there you go. Snap it in place. Just be very careful. You know, it feels okay. It doesn't. I mean, it's kind of perhaps it may be a little bit flimsy, so just be careful when you unsnap it. Okay, so there you go, just installed. Now, to remove it, you need to collapse or fold the landing gear like so, and then you just unsnap it, and there you go. That easy. Here's a photo of the Mini 3 Pro with the landing gear, without the landing gear, and with the landing gear on. So as you can see in the above photo, it's touching the grass, and then the bottom photo with the landing gear on, it's just above the grass. So there you go. That's I think it's a good buy, a good accessory to have. The second one, right there, is the propeller holder for the Mini, again for the Mini 3 Pro. So let's open the box and check it out. The propeller holder, and it prevents the propeller from flopping. You know, when it's in the bag or you have it in your hand. So let's see what's inside. And here you go. Okay, so it's made of some kind of a soft plastic material, and with the strap. I think it's very easy to install, but let me put the cover lens back on. Just snap it right in, like so. Okay. So they did show us how to. There's methods of securing these propellers, and one is, you know, having part of the landing gear. Secure it this way, and then you fold the back arms. You have the props wedged like so, so it kind of prevents it from flopping in and out and damaging your prop possibly. But this here basically secures it even more so. So, and how you install this, you put a prop and you install it like so. There you go, let it fit. Props are secured in these slots, as you can see. And you have the belt to button it down to the base. So there you go. I kind of like it. It's very secured. You can put that in your bag, slap it in there. Not slap it in there, but put it in there gently and pull it out. So, and in either way, you can have it in the front or in the back first. So, yeah, I think it's a pretty good accessory to have. All right. And the last one is these colorful control sticks for the RC smart controller. And if you notice,
right here. Here's the smart controller right here. In the back, you have your silver type sticks, right? And if you take a look at these, the color of it, right? The color of these sticks, they're silver, obviously, right? And if you ever drop that on the pavement or somewhere where the color is almost similar to this control stick, it'll take us some time to find it, or matter of fact, maybe you just totally lost it and can't even find it. So with the red ones, I think they also have yellow ones as well, but this will help you find your stick if you ever dropped it on the ground. You have a better chance, in other words, you have a better chance of finding a control stick of this color than the silver one. So, okay, so that's it. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Mahalo.